Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to the session. Today's class, we are going to continue the operations on rational numbers. Okay. Last class, actually, we have discussed how to add two rational numbers. Now, we'll discuss how to subtract two rational numbers. Okay. So, you can take page number 186 in your NCERT textbook. So, here we can take two rational numbers. 1 by 5 minus 7 by 2. Okay, 1 by 5 is one rational number, 7 by 2 is another rational number. Yes, we are going to subtract it. So I told you, when addition and subtraction of fractions, you should check whether the denominators are same. Yes, using when you are doing the operation on fraction, this is what you have followed. The same here also we have to check it, whether our denominators are same. Whether they are same? No. So how we will make it same? LCM of 5, 2 is equal to 10. Now 1 by 5 I have to make it as denominator 10. 5 2s are 10, 1 2s are 2. 7 by 2 I want to make it as denominator 10. 2 5s are 7 5s are 35. So I am going to subtract these two. 2 by 10 minus 35 by 10. Now whether our denominators are same? Yes. So I am making it a single denominator. So 2 minus 35. 2 minus 35 is what? Minus 33 by 10. Okay. So this is what the final answer. So this is how you should subtract the two rational numbers. Okay, so you have to check whether denominators are same and you should do it. Next is your multiplication. Next comes your multiplication of rational numbers. Okay, now minus 3 by 5 into minus 2. Okay, minus 3 by 5 is also a rational number. Minus 2 is also a rational number. When I want to multiply these two rational numbers, how we will multiply it? As usual, what you will do in fractions? Numerator into numerator, write the answer. Denominator into denominator, and you will write the answer. Now, 3 by 5 into minus 2, how you will make it as rational number? Minus 2 by 1. Yes, minus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 1. Now, minus 3 into minus 2, because numerator into numerator. Minus 3 into minus 2 is 3 2s are 6, minus into minus plus. Divide by 5 into 1, 5. So, answer is 6 by 5. Plus 6 by 5, nothing but 6 by 5. Okay. Sometimes 7 into minus 1 by 5. So, if this is a question, how you will write? 7, you should write it as if like a rational number. 7 by 1 into minus 1 by 5. 7 into minus 1, minus 7. 1 into 5, 5. So, minus 7 by 5 is the final answer. Okay. So, likewise, you can multiply the two rational numbers. Okay. Next, division. Division is the inverse process of the multiplication. Okay. So whenever the division is there, you should do one extra step. That is the only thing we should do. 2 by 3 divided 4 by 7. Okay. 2 by 3 divided 4 by 7. So 2 by 3 is also a rational number. 4 by 7 is also a rational number. So, how we will divide the fractions actually? You will make them reciprocal and make it multiplication. So, 2 by 3, I am making this division to multiplication. So, the next number after this symbol will be exchanged, which means they will be reversed. Our 4 by 7 has become 7 by 4. It will be reciprocal. Next, can we cancel this? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 1 7s are 7, 3 2s are 6. So, answer is 7 by 6. Next, one more thing I will give you. Second problem. minus 2 divided 1 by 4. Minus 2 divided 1 by 4. So I will write, actually minus 2 I will write as minus 2 by 1 divided 1 by 4. Correct? Now minus 2 by 1, division has become multiplication. After this 1 by 4 has become 4 by 1. Now minus 2 into 4, minus 8, divide by 1 into 1, 1. So minus 8 by 1 is minus 8. So this is how you will divide the rational numbers. Okay. Now shall we go to the exercise problem? This is your exercise 9.2. What is the first question? Find the sum. Okay. 5 by 4 plus minus 11 by 4. So 5 by 4 is one rational number. Minus 11 by 4 is another rational number. So 5 by 4 plus into minus, minus 11 by 4. You should check whether our denominators are same. Whether they are same? Yes. So 4 common, 5 minus 11. So 5 minus 11 is what? Minus 6 divided by 4. Can we do the simplest form if possible? Yes. In 2 table, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. So answer is minus 3 by 2. Answer is what? Minus 3 by 2. Okay. Next, second problem. 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. Whether there is any brackets to remove? No brackets are there. Whether our denominators are same? No, they are different. So what you will do? You will make it as same by LCM of 3, 5 is equal to 5 3s are 15. So 5 by 3 I want to make it as 15. 3 5s are, 5 5s are 25. Okay. So next I want to make this 3 by 5 as 15. 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so instead of 5 by 3 I am writing 25 by 15 plus 3 by 5 I am writing 9 by 15. Now whether our denominators are same? Yes. So I have made as 15. 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9 is 34 divided by 15. Can we cancel this? No. So 34 by 15 is the final answer. Okay. Next, third and your fourth problem is your homework. Third subdivision, fourth subdivision is your homework. Okay. Next, fifth problem. Minus 8 by 19 plus minus 2 by 57. Okay. See, first you have brackets to remove. Minus 8 by 19 plus into minus, minus 2 by 57. Whether our denominators are same? No. So I have to take LCM of 19, 57. 19th table, 19 ones are, 19 3s are, 9 3s are 27, 57. So 19 3s are, you will get it. Again in third table, okay. So 19 into 3 is 57. So 57 is the LCM. So my I'm just writing only the number 88 by 19. I have to convert it to 57. 19 3s are, 8 3s are 24. Then 2 by 57 I have to convert it to 57. 57 into 1, 2. So now minus 8 by 19 is nothing but minus 24 by 57. Then minus 2 by 57. Now our denominators are same, right? Minus 24 minus 2. So minus 24 minus 2 is minus 26 divided by 57. Okay, can we cancel this? No, we can't cancel this. So this is my final answer. Okay. Next, what is the next problem? Sixth problem. Minus 2 by 3 plus 0. Any number plus 0 is that same number. Appo minus 2 by 3 plus 0 is nothing but minus 2 by 3. Okay. Next, seventh problem. Seventh problem. Minus 2 1 by 3 plus 4 3 by 5. Minus 2 1 by 3 plus 4 3 by 5. First you should make it as improper fraction. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Minus 7 by 3 plus 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3 23 by 5. Whether any bracket is there to remove? No. So what you will do? You will make them as we have to check whether denominators are same. Both are different. So LCM of 3 comma 5 is 15. Upper 7 by 3 I have to make it as 15. 3 5s are 7 5s are 35. 23 into 5 is equal to 15. In 5 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Appo minus 35 by 15 plus 23 will become 69 by 15. So in this 15 I am taking as common. Minus 35 plus 69. So 69 35 4 3. So plus 34 by 15. So answer is what? Plus 34 by 15. So this is the final answer. Is there any possibility to cancel? No. So this is what the final answer which you are getting. Okay. Next is your second subdivision. Find first 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. Whether our denominators are same? No. So we will take LCM of 24 comma 36. Now we will do in two table. 12 times 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. Again in two table 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are. In third table 3 2s are 3 3s are. Two table 2 1s are 3. Third table, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 7, 72 you are getting. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 7, 72 you are getting. Okay, so what is the LCM you are getting? 72. 7 by 24 I have to make it as 72. 24 into 3, upper 7 3s are 21. 17 by 36 I have to make it as 72. So 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 7. Okay, into 2, 17 into 2, 7 2s are 14, 3, 34 you are getting. Okay, 7 2s are 14, 34 you are getting. So instead of these two, shall we substitute these two values? 21 by 72 minus 34 by 72. So I am taking 72 common. 21 minus 34. So I am going to subtract it. 3 1 13. So what 13 you will get? Minus 13 by 72. Can we cancel this? Can we cancel this any more? 4 3s are 12, 152. 6 3s are 18, 178. No. So we can't cancel. This is the final answer. Okay. Next. Second subdivision. 5 by 63 minus 6 by 21. 5 by 63 minus 6 by 21. So 5 by 63 minus into minus plus, because there is a bracket we should remove it, right? 6 by 21. Now take LCM of 63 comma 21. 63 comma 21. In third table 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are, 3 7s are. In seventh table 7 3s are, 7 1s are. Then third table, so 7 3s are 21 into 3 3 63. So LCM is 63. So I have to convert this 5 by 63 as 63. 63 into 1, 5 ones are 5. 6 by 21 I have to convert it to 63. 6 3s are 18. 5 by 63 plus 18 by 63. Both are 63, right? So I am taking 63 as common. 5 plus 18 is equal to 5 plus 18 is 23 divided by 63. Yes, 23 divided by 63. Can we cancel this? No. So 23 by 63 is the final answer. Okay. Your third problem and your fourth problem is your homework. Now I am doing you the fifth problem. Fifth problem, minus 2 1 by 9 minus 6. Okay, minus 2 1 by 9 minus 6. Third subdivision and your fourth subdivision is your homework, children. Minus 2 1 by 9 minus 6 is the answer. Now 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1 19, minus 19 by 9 minus 6. How you write? 6 by 1. Correct? 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1 19, 19 by 9 minus 6 by 1. So LCM of 9 comma 1 is equal to 9. So minus 19 by 9 I am going to multiply and divide by 1. So minus 19 by 9. Next 6 by 1. Correct? Next is what? 6 by 1. 6 by 1 I have to make it as 9. 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are what? 54. So minus 19 by 9 minus 54 by 9. So in this 9 is common. Minus 19 minus 54. 54 19 13 1 73. Minus 73 by 9. Answer is what? Minus 73 by 9. Is there any possibility to cancel? No. Okay. Next is your third. What is the third problem? It is the product, right? Third subdivision is the product. Find the product. Okay. What is the first question? 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4. So product actually easy. First you don't want to consider the minus sign and all. Just consider multiply and write the numerator and denominator. 9 sevens are 63. Plus into minus, minus. Divide by 4 2s are 8. Can we do any simplest form? No. So this is the answer. 9 sevens are 63. 4 2s are 8. That's all. Okay. Next, second subdivision. 3 by 10 into minus 9. 3 by 10 into minus 9. So now 3 by 10 minus 9, how will write? Minus 9 by 1. Correct? 9 3s are 27 plus into minus, minus 10 into 1 10. Can we cancel this? No, we can't. So this is the final answer. Next, third subdivision. Minus 6 by 5 into 9 by 11. Minus 6 by 5 into 9 by 11. So now 6 9s are 54. Minus into plus, minus. Divide by 5 11s are 55. Okay, 6 9 6 are 54. Minus 54. 5 11s are 55. So this is the final answer. Next, fourth subdivision. 3 by 7 into minus 2 by 5. 3 by 7 into 7 by 5. 3 2s are 6 plus into minus, minus. 3 2s are 6 plus into minus, minus. 7 5s are 35. Can we cancel this? No. Next, fifth problem is your homework. Fifth problem is your homework. Sixth, 3 by minus 5 into minus 5 by 3. 3 by minus 5 into minus 5 by 3. See children, in this problem, there is a possibility to cancel it. See, you can check it. What is the possibility? 3 3 cancel, 5 5 cancel, minus minus cancel. See, minus numerator and denominator, if it is there, we can cancel it. So what is the answer? You will get 1. Final answer is what? 1. Because everything got cancelled. So the final answer which you are getting is 1. So in this third problem, fifth subdivision is your homework. Okay. Next, fourth subdivision. It is actually find the value of. Fourth subdivision is what? Find the value of. Okay, first problem, minus 4 division 2 by 3. Minus 4 division 2 by 3. So here division, I told you what is to be followed in division, no? You have to convert this division to multiplication. Okay, then you have to inverse it. Minus 4, how you will write? Minus 4 by 1. This division has become multiplication. So what this will become? Reciprocal. Our 2 by 3 has become 3 by 2. Now shall we cancel anything? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Appo 2 3s are 6. Minus into plus, minus, divide by 1 into 1, 1. So answer is minus 6. 2 3s are 6, minus into plus, minus, 1 into 1, 1, minus 6 by 1 is minus 6. This is same like fractions, okay? Don't get confused. It is the same like fraction, but the only thing is this minus sign comes. So fractions and integers, both you should do it. That is the only difference in this problem. So minus 3 by 5 division 2 by 1. 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. So minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 2. Can we cancel minus 3 into 1? Minus 3. 5 2s are 10. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3, 5 2s are 10. Next, third problem, minus 4 by 5 division minus 3. Minus 4 by 5 division minus 3. So minus 4 by 5 division minus 3 by 1. Correct? So now minus 4 by 5 into 1 by minus 3. Reciprocal. Now this minus cancel. I told you this numerator and denominator minus can be cancelled. So 4 1s are 4, 5 3s are 15. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 5 3s are 15. Next, fourth and your fifth problem is your homework. Fourth, fifth problem is your homework. Okay, sixth, what is the sixth subdivision? Minus 7 by 12 divided minus 2 by 13. Minus 7 by 12 divided minus 2 by 13. Minus 7 by 12 into 13 by minus 2. Correct? Minus 7 by 12 into, I made this division to multiplication, 13 by 12. 2. Minus minus cancel. Now 13 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 91. 91 divided by 12 2s are 24. Can we cancel this? No. Next, seventh problem, 3 by 13 division minus 4 by 65. Now 3 by 13 into 65 by minus 4. 65 by minus 4, just reciprocated, that's all. 13 1s are, 13 5s are. So now 3 5s are 15, 1 into minus 4, minus 4. So answer is 15 by minus 4. Understood? So actually this is your last exercise of this chapter 9. So once again you can recall the problems what we have discussed in this rational number, because this chapter is new to you all. So you can once again work out these problems. So in this exercise 9.2 I have given first problem third and fourth subdivision, second problem third and fourth subdivision, third problem fifth subdivision, fourth problem fourth and fifth subdivision as homework. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.